Hey explorers, so let's start our next lab, that is DOM XSS in document.write sync using location.search. The description basically says that this lab contains a DOM-based XSS vulnerability, and the vulnerability exists in search query functionality, search query tracking functionality, and it uses JavaScript function, that is document.write, which write the function data. The document.write function is called with the data. So what basically happens is, whatever the data we provide in our search query, and the data will be passed to the document.write, and the document.write function will add the data to the page. To solve the lab, we have to perform a cross-site scripting attack that calls the alert function. So let's access our lab. This is our lab. So this is the search queries. Let's search hello test 1 2 3, and now performing the search, we can see that this is our hello test 1 2 3. Here we can see that our search results for hello test 1 2 3. Let's try our script tag. We can change it to script alert 1 slash script, closing script. Now we can see that search results for script tag are as it is. Let's see our this term is anywhere else. Yeah, there it is encoded, right? So we can see that there is the query, and the query comes from the track. So here window.location.search. So basically what is happening, it tags the parameter whatever you pass in search query, and place track search, calls the track search function, which is this is, and then it places that query within this one. Okay, so let's try to close it. Let's try double quotation then, and now we can see that also no way, but we can see that here we can close it. Let's try something different. On load single quotation alert 1 single quotation, and then we can close it. No, oh yeah, it's solved, right? So we can see that we have solved our lab. We have closed it using double quotation, and then inserted our payload, that is onload equals to alert 1, right? So whenever the image is loaded from that source, after that is triggers the onload parameter.